on the final day of the MLB draft, including Newmarket lefty Jake Iliopoulos again to the Jays, along with right-hander Leslie Williams. He's a Toronto native. Daniel Sedin and the Canucks are ready to get back to work in Boston. A lot of fun, a lot of sports.
All the cards are at my side.
Like I said, special teams is going to be a big factor in the consequences. Vancouver perhaps concerned about its power play. Just 1 for 16 in the finals. Game 4 goes at 8 o'clock. CFL News, the Saskatchewan Roughriders have reportedly placed former Buckeyes quarterback Terrell Pryor on their negotiation list.
I think without much lighting, they're going to have practice.
And Toronto SC has 6 on the MLS All-Star ballot. They are Fry, Chani, De Guzman, Martina, Lotta, and Santos. Sports at 15 and 45 past every hour or anytime at 680news.com.
680 News time, 648.
Guten Abend, mein Audi. Mein schöner Audi. No one can service your Audi like a factory.
Can we drive through the car in front of us?
He understands its needs intimately. He studied special manuals. He knows a little spot behind the gearbox that... To keep your out-of-warranty Audi completely satisfied, bring it to any Audi dealership for a professional 30-point inspection plus 6 months roadside assistance. Free. Offer ends August 31st.
I just had a terrible sleep again last night and feel exhausted. Are you ready?